Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of lawn care with a product
that's been making waves in the gardening community: the Gordon's Amine 402 4D Weed Killer.
If you're looking for the best 2,4-D Amine Broadleaf Weed Killer on the market, you've come to the right place. Let's explore why this product stands out from the rest.
The Gordon's Amine 400 is a liquid weed killer designed to tackle those pesky broadleaf weeds that can ruin the look of your lawn. It comes in a convenient 1-gallon size, making it suitable for both residential and larger outdoor spaces.
What sets this product apart is its active ingredient, 2,4-D amine. Known for effectively targeting weeds like dandelions, clover, and more without harming your grass. Let's talk about why gardeners and homeowners love the Gordon's Amine 400. Firstly, it's incredibly easy to use. You can apply it with a sprayer directly onto the weeds, ensuring precise application and minimizing waste. The liquid formula absorbs quickly into the plants, delivering visible results within days. Plus, it's formulated to be rain-fast in just a few hours, meaning you don't have to worry about it washing away after application. One of the standout benefits of this weed killer is its versatility. Whether you're dealing with weeds in your lawn, garden beds, or along fence lines, Gordon's Amine 400 gets the job done effectively. It's also a great value for money, offering a gallon size that covers a large area compared to other products on the market. Users appreciate the cost-effectiveness and the long-lasting results it provides throughout the growing season. For optimal results, here are a few application tips. Make sure to apply the Gordon's Amine 400 on a calm day when rain is not expected for at least 24 hours. This allows the product to work undisturbed. Avoid spraying on windy days to prevent drift onto desirable plants. Always follow the instructions on the label regarding dilution and safety precautions to ensure effective and safe application. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable and efficient weed killer that won't break the bank, look no further than the Gordon's Amine 402 4D Weed Killer. Its powerful formula, ease of use, and affordability make it a standout choice for anyone looking to maintain a pristine lawn or garden. Remember, a healthy lawn starts with effective weed control, and Gordon's Amine 400 is here to help you achieve just that. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews and gardening tips. Have you tried the Gordon's Amine 400? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.